first and foremost, what you all came for, the main event. AI level are you? It's a silly thing, but I think this is really when I did this exercise, it was really helpful for the mind. Okay, so I know we don't have many people getting started, but we'll put it in the chat just so that we can see if we want to share. So just do a +1 in the chat if it is you as I call it out, and then we'll clear out. So we'll do the first 4 questions. Like if you can check all 4 of them, you would do 4 plus signs. So the first questions are: do you have accounts on at least 1 to 2 major AI offerings like ChatGPT or Claude? You know an LLM is a large language model and predicts parts of words to respond to prompts, which are called tokens. Prompts need to be specific and explain what I want, like asking a toddler to put on shoes or the make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich instruction challenge, which I put a link to. And the fourth one is, can you explain what a playground versus chat is? And we'll wait for the results. And if you are newer and you can't answer these questions, that's okay too. This is all about being able to assess where you are. And I have a feeling for most of you, you're going to find out you are much more advanced than you give yourself credit for. Does anyone ever feel insecurity or like they feel like they're insecure about what they know about AI? Maybe not in this room, but okay, so here we go. All right, we're going to go down a little bit further. You know that not safe for work models and how to access them in at least one place. The money, you understand some tools charge flat fees, others buy 1,000 tokens or a million tokens. So you at least understand how the costs work. Prompts have parts, system user assistant, and you can tag parts of prompts with square brackets. And then finally, the getting started, Notion is your friend. If you can answer a plus sign on all of that, congratulations. I am not calling you a beginner. You may feel you're a beginner, but that is false. Okay. Everybody good to move on to the next one? I know this is silly, but it's fun. All right. So here is the more fun one. Let's see who's got all of and I think we should make bingo cards. This would be fun with bingo cards, I think. All right. So you started to learn specialized tools that interest you. So you may not have all of these check marked. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 possible check marks here. So the first one is Rexy. Hopefully all of you are plussing that one. Then Pseudowrite, Novel Crafter, Jasper, Notion AI, ChatGPT, Advanced ChatGPT. I'm like, if you use ChatGPT, cool. But if you also know how to do assistants or the GPTs, the custom instructions, data analyzer, code interpreter, that's the other one. Claude Chat, Typing Mind, Poe.com, Novel AI, and AI art tools. And I left you guys some blanks too, so you could put them in. So if you decide to print this off or something like that, just to remind yourself. So quick question. Those of you, I see some of them are missing checks. Do you guys mind letting me know which ones are you missing? But to do that, can you put it in parentheses like this? Like I would put in parentheses novel crafter. Like I'm missing I've done a little bit with novel crafter, but I certainly wouldn't call myself an expert on it. I would have to do more work with it. Okay, interesting. Jasper. I should have put Notion AI on here too, but that's okay. Oh, I did put Notion AI. Ha ha ha. Novel AI. Wait, what is replaced? Oh, Realm Chef. Oh, I didn't even put Realm Chef on here. I was terrible. Although that's not even out yet, but we'll put it on here. They're good friends of ours. Cool. Good to know. So it's mainly Jasper and Novel Crafter. And if you guys want us to teach on those, you can always let us know. All right. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 check marks available. Adding subtext. Okay, I can add subtext to that too. I'll put that here. All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So let's see on the creative prompts. Actually, we'll go ahead and do 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 topics. Oh, you want to do themes? I can add that on here. We don't usually teach that, but you have your lab on there. So themes. Okay. Can you make creative prompts that you specialize in? You've done some work in them. You've practiced with them. You know how to construct a prompt to make the LLM help you with brainstorming or help you with world building, etc. So we have brainstorming, characters, world building, plotting, themes, writing short prose, writing long prose. The difference there I'm saying is long prose is like getting it to write like complete scenes for you. Short prose is if you're just like, I just want to change. I know how to make it change like a paragraph or reword a few sentences. Editing / analysis. The reason I put / analysis is because the LLMs are not great editors. They can help you with like plot points and stuff like that, but they weren't really trained for grammatical stuff. And then marketing prompts and graphics. The specialization just means that you know how to specifically prompt these things. You know how to prompt to get this stuff going. Okay. Is this a helpful checklist to also identify areas that you want to spend more time in learning? Okay, good. And we can add more to the checklist. This is really hard to do, by the way, if you've been working with AI for multiple years like I have. And I'm like, where do we start? I forgot. What's the beginning? All right. And then this one, I watch or read AI press and understand much of it or know how to look up the crap they just invented as they go along. And we'll change the verb tense on that they invented. How many of you are watching these now going, you just made that up? That's a new thing. That wasn't a thing. That wasn't even a thing. There was no such thing as rag 4 months ago in anyone's vocabulary list. There was just white papers on it. Okay. And then finally, this is the big one. And Michelle has created a tool for you in your Teachable. Okay. It's at the bottom. All our resources and stuff is at the bottom as for a lot of these things. Not Realm Chef and some of these other ones, but many of these we have resources out at the bottom. Have you memorized the context windows and outputs of your favorite LLMs? I'm not saying you have to memorize all of them, but at least the ones that you like the way they write. All right, good. All right, now advanced. There's opportunity for 5. Okay. You mega prompt like a champ. You get the word you want out of the AI tool you prefer to use. You can sequence prompts. You can watch AI press and critique their stupidity. And finally, you can take over for me. And I know that's really egotistical of me, but no. Seriously, no. There's lots of people who are just as brilliant in AI with me. Advanced +4. Thank you all. That makes me feel really good. But if you guys think of any things to add on here, do you guys think that this checklist kind of encapsulates where people can figure out where they are in the AI levels and for you to identify what you need? We'll probably work on making some other ones that are specific to like graphics and stuff like that. But yeah, good. You're better than you thought. Absolutely. How many people realize that they're a lot more educated in the AI world than they think that they are? Most of you basically identified yourself as being in the advanced camp and you don't even realize it. And that is the truth. The truth is, if you walked into a room in San Francisco, okay, we're all imagining we're going to a trip to San Francisco and we're going to go talk to those tech bros who are running these companies. You could walk into the foyer area and say, hey, and talk to them about how creatives use artificial intelligence. You would be a subject matter expert on that topic because you have practiced. Most of you have already probably gotten pretty close to your 10,000 hours. How many of you guys have heard that terminology before, 10,000 hours? The idea here is that you do your 10,000 hours, and then all of a sudden you're an expert. And I'll do the confetti. Oh, fireworks. I love the reactions. Y'all going to see lots of reactions now that I know how to do them. Thank you for joining us on something wickedly cool in AI. This is what we do in our lab sessions. So the Future Fiction Academy is 8 labs a week. You can come live. You can watch the replays after. You get the transcript. You also get the lab report. And we work together to specialize in different parts of AI tools to come up with really innovative prompting and how to use these tools in our everyday publishing careers. So if you would like to join the Future Fiction Academy, we would love to have you because it's a community that is AI positive and we're all working together to stay on top of this new technology before we all get left behind. So we invite you to come join us and have fun because we love to play with this stuff and we love to share it. So hope to see you in lab soon. Bye.